Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a dal and roti. Let's start the recipe. I'm gonna make split chickpeas dal or chana dal. I have here 150 gram of chana dal and wash the dal, soak it for 2 hours. Let's have a look into the ingredients. 1 medium sized onion, 1 medium sized tomato, 2 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna slice the garlic and 2 bay leaves, 1 cinnamon and 2 dry chilies. Now let's have a look into the masala. 2 tablespoon of chili powder, quarter spoon of garam masala, half tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, quarter spoon of amchur powder, dried mango powder, and a generous amount of black salt. So, I got here chopped tomato and the onion. After soaking the dal, it directly goes into the cooker and a generous amount of salt. Add just 500 ml of water. I usually cook until get 2 whistles. You don't want to mash the dal. And for roti, I got here some wheat flour. Now, let's cook the dal. I got here a pot. Heat up the pot and add a spoon of oil. The bay leaf goes first and the cinnamon. Let them crackle. Now I'm gonna add sliced garlic into it. Toast it well. We are looking for a brown color. Now add the dry chilies. Toss it very well. Now the chopped onion goes into the pot. Saute the onion until it gets brown in color. Then we will add the chopped tomato. Saute it very well. Now I'm gonna add the chili powder and garam masala and the coriander powder and a generous amount of turmeric powder. Toast the masala very nicely until it goes the raw smell. Now we will add some boiled dal water. Wait for a boil. Once the curry got boiled, I'm gonna add the boiled dal into this. I took about 3 tablespoons of dal in a bowl out of this. Now I'm gonna show you one of my trick is I have here some of the boiled dal left here. In this I'm gonna add brown sugar and amchur powder and the black salt. And add some water. Mash the dal nicely. Now I'm gonna add a generous amount of cumin seeds into it. Now we will add the dal mixture into this. Mix it well. I'm gonna add one more half spoon garam masala and some amchur powder. The brown sugar and the black salt amchur powder will give sweet and chatpata taste into the dal. Once the curry get a nice boil off the flame, and that's it. Let's dive into the next procedure. In the wheat flour, I'm gonna add a generous amount of salt, and now with the help of the water, we will combine the flour together. We are looking for a smooth dough. If you are not add enough water, the dough will become dry and hard. Your roti will not puffed up like fulka. Now knead the dough until it gets softened. Now I will divide the dough into some pieces. Throw some flour on the surface. Now let's roll the roti. Now let's cook the rotis. Heat up a tawa and put the rotis on the tawa. Flip it over, one side cooked. I usually cook the sides of the roti first, then I will place the roti on the stove. See how beautifully it's coming out. Now we will cook the rest of the rotis. Hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. If you did, subscribe to my channel. Comment down below on whether you liked or not, or things you would like to see on my channel. See you in the next video.